Hi everyone, welcome to Good Taste. I'm Tangi Patton. San Antonio is legendary for this very famous riverwalk. In Houston, B&B Butchers is legendary for juicy, delicious steaks. Celebs like Jay-Z and Beyonce are said to be fans. Beyonce celebrated a birthday right in the B&B Butchers shop. Now, B&B's popularity has spread to North Texas. It's the talk of the town. Cowtown, that is.
The food is amazing, the carpetbaggers, the salmon.
Great people, great food. The atmosphere here has just been so welcoming.
This is B&B Butchers, where everyone has a personal favorite.
Chef Tommy's bacon, hands down.
The desserts that Chef John puts together are amazing.
But it's those eye-popping steaks that truly take your breath away.
Their filet is pretty hard to beat. Yeah, it's really, really good.
Or try these juicy, savory bites of A5 Wagyu tenderloin, cooked on a Himalayan salt block. Or have some extra cheesy goodness like the bacon lobster mac and cheese with succulent buttery lobster bites mixed with crispy bacon bits. Delish! This sophisticated steakhouse all began with a charismatic owner, Ben Berg, who learned the business from the bottom up.
I was a busboy, I was a bellman, I was a bouncer, barback.
Some I didn't know about.
Yeah.
You have the restaurant bug, but you also have an incredible work ethic. You're one of the hardest working guys I know, truly.
Well, thank you.
At B&B, dry aging prime beef in-house is truly an art form.
This is where the magic happens.
Okay.
This is the dry aging room.
At every turn, there are jaw-dropping cuts of meat.
The Flintstone cut.
Oh,
Right? I mean, look at that bad boy.
whoa!
This is for two or for one really big Texan.
The butcher shop is really unique. That's an experience in itself when you come to the restaurant. Every cut of meat you can get in the restaurant, you can also buy next
Yes.
door. Every month, the Butcher Shop hosts an amazing meat lovers event called Meet Our Meat,
That's beautiful. That's sexy.
offering a one-of-a-kind steak tasting experience.
You know, Japanese Wagyu, Japanese Kobe, there's a real taste difference.
I couldn't resist taking this ultimate meat taste test myself.
Chef, let's apply the blindfold. We're gonna give you 4 ribeyes. They're all on our menu.
Okay.
They all have something to do with ribeye.
I sampled all 4 different meats.
I'm guessing this is definitely Wagyu of some sort. Everyone is quite fantastic on its own, but you're right. Tasting them side by side, they're quite different.
Quite different.
Each bite was so full of flavor. It's a test you can't wait to take.
It melts in your mouth, it's the butter, and then it's the other flavors
It's
too.
the other flavors in it.
Well, they're so good. Oh my gosh, all of them are great.
B&B boasts a signature dish you won't believe.
This is our katsu sando. It's a $120 sandwich.
It's $120.
Yes, it is.
This phenomenal treat features the A5 Japanese Wagyu ribeye, the eye of the ribeye, to create a dreamy sandwich like no other.
So now we're going into the fryer, and we're gonna fry this for about maybe 4 to 5 minutes till it gets golden brown. Bring it out, you put it on Japanese white bread. This bread costs us $2 a slice. So just cut this in like 3 equal parts, and there you have a $120 sandwich. Delicious, huh? Just melts in your mouth like butter or what? Unbelievable.
It gets better and better and better.
Yeah, as you chew it.
Oh man.
These two culinary creators have a colorful history together.
My first management job I ever had in the restaurant business, my boss was my executive chef here. I was scared of him. I was frightened of him. I didn't want to talk to him.
But he was
But
your
he
boss.
runs a tough kitchen.
Yeah.
He was the manager at Smith & Walensky's in Las Vegas, but I was the executive chef. So I got to yell at Ben all the time because he was just the manager, but now he's the owner of the company, so he yells at me all the time.
So the roles have turned.
Yes, it has.
I put the meat back the wrong way.
I told you to turn it.
I know. I still respect him, you know, because he's not working for me, he's working with me.
Ben's all-star team attracts plenty of stars into the restaurant here in Fort Worth, like LeAnn Rimes.
Like Shelton out here, Kelly Clarkson.
And in Houston, B&B Butchers hosted the ultimate rock stars, the Rolling Stones.
We did Mick Jagger's birthday party.
Oh, wow.
And we had all 4 Rolling Stones. So in the restaurant at the same time.
Man.
I don't think I will ever beat that one.
So if you want to party like a rock star, what's on the menu? For Mick's 76th birthday, the 4-course meal included an amazing tuna tartare featuring fresh avocado, cucumbers, ponzu, and wakame salad. Course 2 included B&B's famed Butcher's Butter, the A5 American Wagyu beef from Snake River Farms in Idaho. To top it all off, mariachis serenaded the rockers.
What an experience.
It was
Seriously,
amazing.
Ben. Oh my gosh.
Whatever brings you to B&B Butchers, this is one place you won't forget.
If you're a true beef lover, there's something here for everyone, and it's always so good.
The decor, the bar, the people really bring it together, so it's bigger than just a meal.
And with more of Ben's delicious creations on the way, the sky's the limit for great dining.
Why stop when you're on a roll?
Why not? Cheers.